The building and design industries in Uttam Nagar heavily rely on geotechnical services. These services entail investigating the mechanics of the soil and rocks in order to assess if a specific site is suitable for construction. The southwest area of Delhi, Uttam Nagar, is well recognized for its brisk urbanization and infrastructure growth. The need for geotechnical services has thus grown considerably in this region. A variety of crucial services are offered by geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar to guarantee the security and stability of construction projects. Site investigations are one of the main responsibilities of geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar. This entails gathering samples of rock and soil from various depths and examining their mechanical and physical characteristics. Geotechnical engineers can examine the stability of the ground and identify any potential dangers or restrictions that may affect construction projects by measuring the strength, permeability, and compressibility of the soil. To construct foundations and structures that can withstand the loads and pressures applied to them, structural engineers and architects need this information. Geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar also offer slope stability assessments in addition to site investigations. This is crucial in hilly locations where landslides can seriously endanger both human life and infrastructure. Geotechnical engineers evaluate the stability of slopes and suggest suitable actions to reduce any risks using a variety of techniques, including slope stability analysis, geological mapping, and monitoring. This can entail setting up drainage systems, retaining walls, or stabilizing slopes with grading and vegetation. Foundation design is a crucial service offered by geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar. In Uttam Nagar, geotechnical services are essential to the building and design sectors. To assess whether a specific site is suitable for construction, these services require studying the mechanics of the soil and rocks. Uttam Nagar, a neighborhood in the southwest of Delhi, is renowned for its brisk urbanization and infrastructure growth. As a result, there is a noticeable rise in the need for geotechnical services in this region. In order to guarantee the stability and safety of construction projects, geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar offer a variety of crucial services. Conducting site investigations is one of the main duties of geotechnical services in Uttam Nagar. To do this, samples of rock and soil must be taken at various depths, and their physical and mechanical characteristics must be examined. Geotechnical engineers can analyze the stability of the ground and spot any potential risks or restrictions that might have an impact on construction projects by measuring the strength, permeability, and compressibility of the soil. This knowledge is essential for structural engineers and architects to use